Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your credit on Credit Karma. So process is very easy to do. Just follow the step-by-step guide and you'll be able to lock your credit. So as you already know that Credit Karma doesn't directly allow you to lock your credit report. So what you can do is just take the help of credit bureau websites. So just simply open up Credit Karma. You can open up Credit Karma website or open up their app. Then access your TransUnion. So if you are looking at credit report with TransUnion, so simply click on TransUnion credit report. After this, Credit Karma since doesn't have an option, so simply you can go to the TransUnion website and then enroll in TransUnion True Identity or TransUnion Credit Log. True Identity is a free service that let you lock and unlock your credit instantly. And if you have your credit report with Equifax, so you can also visit their website and use the Equifax logs and alert option. This is also similar to the True Identity, so just you can use that option. And if you have the Experian credit report, so you can also go to the Experian website and then simply they also offer Experian credit log, so simply use that feature. So that is how you can log your credit report on Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.